Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to change your personal information on Fidelity Investment. Fidelity allows you to update most of your personal information online. This includes things like your address, phone number, and email. For personal brokerage accounts, you can do this by logging into fidelity.com, navigating to your profile, and selecting Edit next to the information you want to change. If you have a workplace plan, such as a 401k, you'll need to go to netbenefits.com. After you log in, find the profile icon and click Edit in the appropriate section. Keep in mind that for security, you may be required to verify the changes with a one-time code. For some changes, like a legal name change or changing the registration on an account, you might need to submit documentation, such as a marriage certificate or divorce decree. This is often done by filling out a specific form and sending it to Fidelity. For certain changes, or if you have any issues, the best course of action is to contact Fidelity's customer service directly by phone. They can guide you through the process and ensure your information is updated securely and accurately. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.